Hey guys, it's 𝐌'𝐤𝐤𝐞𝐢𝐚𝐡 and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the outside pre-trip for the trailer. This is actually the last form on your pre-trip inspection test. In today's video we're going to be covering the semi-trailer parts. I'm going to be showing you guys the parts and giving you guys the description. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and let's hop straight into the video. Starting this video off, we're going to start with our kingpin. It's directly in the center of the trailer. This kingpin is not bent, it's not broke, it's not damaged. This is the upper apron. My upper apron is not cracked, bent, damaged, nor broken. And the upper apron has the kingpin actually connected to it. So as I'm about to walk to my trailer that's actually connected to my tractor, I'm going to show you guys the locking jaw. Now this is the fifth wheel area. As you guys can see, that's the trailer that we was just at, and this is actually the tractor and trailer connected. This silver piece here is the locking jaw. This is actually located on your fifth wheel area, which is this right here. And when it comes to your locking jaw, you want to be sure that you let them know that it's securely locked around the fifth wheel. Be sure to also say that there is no space between the fifth wheel area and the upper apron. And lastly, this is your torsion bar, and your torsion bar is mounted and secured, not bent, not broke, not damaged. So this is your release arm. It's mounted and secured and in the lock position, and this part is around your fifth wheel area / your fifth wheel. This is your fifth wheel platform, and your fifth wheel platform is mounted and secured, no cracks nor bolts missing. So next we have our DOT reflector tape. These are reflective and they're clean and present on your trailer. And depending on your trailer as well, you do have brake lights, marker lights, more clearance lights, side lights and side marker lights and stuff like that. Next we have our brake lights. They are clean, not broken, not cracked, nor damaged, and they're red in color. Next we have our landing gear, and our landing gear has a support frame that has no damage nor missing bolts. The legs are fully raised and no debris in the foot, and the crank handle is also mounted and secured. Here we have the front of the trailer. At the top, these are our clearance lights, which is amber in color for the front and the sides, but for the back, they're red. Next we have our bulkhead. This is our bulkhead. It has no holes nor damage. And if you look to the side of the trailer, it has no holes nor damage. The lights and the reflectors are clean, and also the rivets are present. So underneath our trailer, directly underneath actually, these are our cross members. None are damaged, bent, nor broken. And all of my ear lines are at least 18 inches off the ground. Next we have our spring mount / spring hanger. Is mounted and secured, not broken, with no bolts missing. Next we have our spring leaf. It's not bent, broke, nor damaged. Next we have our tires. Our tread depth is no less than a 232 with a 90 to 105 psi. Inside and out, our tires have no abrasions, bulges, nor cuts. And for the rims, they also have no abrasions, bulges, cuts, or illegal wheels. And both the brake drum and axle seals are mounted and secured with no damage. Next, we have our lug bolts / lug nuts. They're tight on secured with no rust that would indicate looseness. No debris in our bud spacing. This is our brake chamber. It's mounted and secured with no damage and no leaks. No bolts missing. Next to our brake chamber, we have our U-bolts. It's mounted and secured with no bolts missing. This is our spring leaf, and this is just a better view of the spring leaf, just to give you guys a better idea of what it looks like. Next we have our slack adjusters, which is mounted and secured 1 inch by hand or 2 inch with someone in the cab at a 90-degree angle. Next we have our DOT bumper, which is mounted and secured with no damage. Here we have our door latches, and at the top we have our 3 trio lights. And depending on your trailer will have door hinges. As you guys can see, these are your door hinges. And latch. And lastly, our splash guard is mounted and secured with no damage.